Hey, Mr. Stan 913 here. We're at the laundromat and we are going to wash our comforter set because it's gigantic and we don't want to run it in our washer and have problems. So we're at the laundromat. We're picking this big one right here and now we got to go pay and figure this out. So this is, we're trying to figure it out here. So you got to get a card and we're going to try this out here.
I only want to put $6.25, right? It was $6.25.
Yeah, let me go check and see what it is. Go to the cash. Put your money in there. We gotta get this here. This two dopes at a laundromat. We're putting our money in. And
I bet you can put in.
There's our card. So what are we doing now?
I didn't put enough in.
All right, we'll have to put more. Can ask the girl here. It says, well, we can add more money to the card. You can add more money to your card, right? I think we can here.
Gotcha. Thank you.
So we got it. So now we got $7 on here. Now we gotta go take the card out. And we're gonna go to the laundromat, machine, and figure this out.
Okay, so
Now,
place card above washer 11.
You go like this, lay it on there. So it says, please wait. Starting in.
Remove card. Remove the card.
Remove the card. Now we're throwing the stuff in here. You gotta close the door. You gotta lock it. And push to start. And I think we're going. We are going. And we got the magazines here to read. So we're spinning at the laundromat. So it's spinning, washing.
Give me a time?
No, there's no time here. You just gotta watch what it says. It's washing it. Washing. Is it washing or wash? So it's washing it. Look at it go. So what we'll do, we only do this because this is a huge comforter set, so it doesn't take up our washing machine like ruin it. So we come to the laundromat and wash this in here. Oh, it's doing something. Let me close this door. Ooh. And then once it's done, we take it home and just hang it in the basement to dry. Because we put a new comforter set on our bed. So we go to the laundromat, wash it, hang it in the basement, let it dry, put it away for the season. So right now it is washing. We got 5 minutes left. Look at this old washing machine right here. Can you imagine doing it back then? In there? Look at that. Scrub a dub dub. Man. This costs like $6.25 for like 21 minutes to clean this. And we're in the final rinse. So it's in its final spin, and we'll take it home and hang it on the line. So if this is your first time watching, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like to see future notifications, hit the bell. Like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Mr. Stan 913, Steinem. Mr. Stan 913, the local laundromat, washing a quilt set. Don't use your washer, go to the laundromat. It saves on your washing machine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.